Hello and welcome. My name is Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding attorney here of Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. And today I want to talk about how you can be a resource for others, and specifically how you can be a resource for immigrants who are facing some type of immigration enforcement, whether that's they've been detained or whether that's they're now in immigration court proceedings or they have some other issue with immigration happening. Maybe they have an ankle monitor device or something of that sort. Okay? So first of all, if you are interested in being a resource and in helping and in assisting an immigrant through their immigration court process, thank you so much for who you are and for what you provide and really being even someone who desires helping another human being. It's uncommon in this world, and I really acknowledge you for who you are and the fact that you are interested in watching this video and the fact that you are interested in helping another human being with a very serious problem, which is any immigration problem is a very serious problem. So I acknowledge you for who you are. Thank you so much for that. And I want to explain how you can be a resource for people. All right? So if someone is detained, let's talk about that real quick. If there is someone who is detained, there is a way to find them. All right? And oftentimes the first question is, hey, my loved one was just detained by immigration. Where are they? And were they just deported? Were they, are they going to have court? And often that's like the big question. Where are they? And so if you do a Google search for the ICE detainee locator, and there's a link on my website also, you can find it here. But if you do a Google search for ICE detainee locator, it gives you a system where you can put in that person's name, that person's A number if you have it, or if you don't, some other information from them, their date of birth, their country of birth, and things like that, to locate them in ICE's system. Now, it's an imperfect system, and sometimes you'll find that someone doesn't show up and doesn't appear in the system, but it's a helpful tool that's out there that can help our office or can help you locate an individual so that you know where they are or where they're going. Okay? So that's one thing. It's also helpful to know that if someone has immigration court hearings, there is a system. There's the EOIR, the Executive Office of Immigration Review, which is the agency in charge of the immigration courts. They have a phone system, all right? And we can put a link to their phone number. I'll say it right now. It's 1-800-898-7180. And if you have the person's alien registration number, their A number, you can figure out when their next hearing date is, okay? So that's a very helpful resource. Basically, my office has put together a packet, okay, of the various ways that you can help and be a resource and know your rights and know the immigrant's rights as someone is going through the process. I would love for you to have a copy of this information. I give it out for free in all of the presentations that I do to various organizations and churches and things like that. For you to get a copy, I would love for you to just send us a text message or contact us on Facebook, whatever's most convenient. If you're sending us a text, please send it to 510-646-0904. Okay, again, that's 510-646-0904. Send us a text. If you just send the text resources, all right, to that text, we'll send you a copy of this absolutely free, no strings attached. I want you to be able to help the immigrants in your life, the people in your life, and I really acknowledge you for being interested in that. Also, inside this packet is a list of the pro bono service providers, okay? Specifically, it's the list of pro bono service providers here in the Bay Area. I'm located here in the Bay Area. If you want a pro bono service provider in an area that's not here in the Bay, just contact our office. We have access to that information. We can send you a link for that as well. Okay? So thank you very, very much for watching this. Thank you very much for who you are and who you are being for the person in your life who is facing immigration enforcement. Please text our office to get a copy of this guide for people who want to be a resource to immigrants during tough times, or be a resource for immigrants who are facing immigration enforcement. And again, I'm Otis Landerholm. I'm the founder here at Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. And thank you so much. Bye-bye.